Hey there plant friends! Welcome back to the Plant Greens PH channel. It's been a while since I last uploaded a video. How are you? I hope you are all doing fine. Today, we're going to repot this Mammillaria humboldtii. This Mexican cactus is one of the most beautiful and sought after mammillaria. It has these small cylindrical shapes that form clusters with candid white spines and produce lots of bright purplish pink flowers. As you can see, the one I have already needs repotting. I bought this one 2 years ago when it was around 1.5 inches in diameter. It has grown since then and now potted in a 3.5 inch pot. The pot that I'll be using is 5.5 inches wide. This will leave a 1 inch space between the cactus and the rim of the pot, which will probably be good for 2 years worth of growth. Take note that you don't need to choose a vast container as it will be more prone to overwatering and root rot. Now that we have chosen the pot, let's prepare the cactus soil mix. For the soil mix, I'll be using my gritty soil mix. My Mammillaria soil mix consists of 3 parts pumice, 1 part lava rock, and 1 part potting mix. This potting mix is a combination of equal parts of coco peat, peat moss, and fine carbonized rice hull. You can use any potting mix available in your area. While mixing our soil mix, here's a quick care tip for Mammillaria. If you want to achieve a compact spine growth, you have to provide it with at least 8 hours of full filtered sunlight. Mammillaria are particularly vulnerable to overwatering, so water them thoroughly but infrequently. Water until the excess drains from the pot, then wait until the soil mix has completely dried before watering again. This usually takes anywhere from 2 weeks to a month, depending on the season and the size of your cactus. For the soil mix, as you can see, we are using a gritty, mineral-rich soil mix. This will improve the drainage as Mammillaria don't like sitting in water. Now that we have prepared the soil mix, the next step is to remove the Mammillaria from its current pot. Gently top and squeeze the sides of the pot to loosen the soil. Slowly and carefully lift the cactus out of the pot. As you can see, this Mammillaria has a nice healthy root ball. Always take a moment to inspect the roots of your cactus. Healthy roots are white or light brown, while damaged or rotting roots might appear brown or mushy. Unlike other genera of cactus, I usually don't disturb the root ball of Mammillaria as they are a bit sensitive and I don't want to accidentally break the cluster. Place a thin layer of Pomy Stone at the bottom of the pot. This will prevent the organic components of the soil mix from washing away when watering. Position the Mammillaria humboldtii in the pot to know how much soil mix you need to add. Place a layer of the well-draining soil mix in the pot. Gently position your Mammillaria humboldtii, ensuring it sits at the same depth as before. Fill in the gaps around the cactus with more soil mix. Pat it down lightly to secure the cactus in place. The next step is to add systemic insecticide. I use Turtle G. This will protect my cactus from pests. I evenly distribute it around the cactus. Following that, add slow-release fertilizer. I am using Azeli, which is a granulated solid organomineral fertilizer containing nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, trace elements, and humic acids. I'll finish the repotting by adding a top dressing. The top dressing I will use is Japanese Akadama. Fill in the space until the soil mix is covered. Remove any exposed soil mix components using tweezers. And there you have it. Our Mammillaria humboldtii is all set in its new home. I will allow it to settle in its new pot for at least 5 days before the next watering. This will give it enough time for the damaged roots to callus. Anyway, thanks for joining us today. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to comment below. Happy gardening and see you in our next video.